Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to show you a really clever 3-in-1 wireless charging stand that's small and portable, it's actually foldable, and it allows you to charge 3 Apple products at the same time from a single charger. It's from a company called Augner, and they make a few different models. They have this one in black and white. They make a little bit bigger one, but they've really thought through what you need in a portable charging stand, and there are some cool features built into this unit that I think you'll really appreciate, and I've been testing it for the last couple of weeks. Now, before I get into all of those details, I always like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything the company included with the product, and believe me, they've given you everything you need to use this wireless charging stand right out of the box. And then I'll dive into those features because let's be honest, there are a lot of companies that make charging stands for Apple products, and I've tested a bunch of them, and it seems like most of them out there miss a few things that are really important. And I'll try to point those out when I start describing what this product provides because I've been using it a lot on business travel and I went on a short vacation and it just does everything I need in a small compact form factor. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, and by the way, let me compliment them on this box because that's a mark of a good company. It's a high quality box. It's really heavy duty cardboard, beautiful printing on the outside. The packaging inside is gorgeous. They've really spent some time putting together the packaging. And what that tells me before I even open the box is that the company's thinking about you as a consumer and they're presenting a product in a way that it really excites me when I open a box like that and see a quality product. So good job on the packaging. All right, so inside the box, you'll find the charger. And again, it's a beautiful product. They've really designed it to be really high quality. It looks like a high quality product. The engineering is solid behind it. Also included is a 20-watt USB-C charger. Now, that's a nice touch because a lot of companies that offer wireless charging stands don't include the charger, they don't include the cable, and they're assuming you have those. So finding a charger that's powerful enough to charge 3 products at the same time could be a challenge for you, so it's a really nice touch they've included that. They've also included a nice long USB-C cable. USB-C to USB-C. One end plugs into the charger, the other end plugs into the base of the charging stand, and this will provide all the power you'll need to charge all of your thirsty Apple products. And of course you'll find the charger again. This is, the engineering behind this is really solid. So let me start off with some of the things that I like a lot about this particular model. The first thing is the base. It's all aluminum and it's pretty much weighted. So when you put this down, it's not going to move around on that bed stand. A lot of the other wireless stands that I've tested are plastic and they've got a little bit of weight in the base, but if you reach for your phone or you try to get your phone on that magnetic attachment, they'll dance around the top of that desktop. With this one, it's going to stay right where you leave it. They've also put a rubber surface on the bottom here, which helps to protect the surface you set it down on. It also keeps it from sliding around whenever you're reaching for your phone, because for me, I may want to check the time and I'll tap the phone. I don't want to tap the phone and have that base slide across the top of my, my cabinet. In addition to that, it unfolds, which is kind of nice. And you have 3 different choices here. You can fold this top piece up and just charge your phone. And the magnetics here, well, I'll show you in a second. It'll attach to the phone incredibly securely. They've got N52 magnets in there, which are some of the most powerful available today. And there's an array of 16 of those around that outside circle. And that's another problem I've got with some of the other charging stands is they don't put a lot of magnets in, and the magnets they use are not that powerful. So I find myself kind of fishing around trying to find that perfect spot where the phone will actually attach to the charging stand. And then I'm always worried that if I'm a little bit off, it'll slide off or it won't hang on all night. With this one, it's not going anywhere. Then there's a second hinge right there. You can lift it up even further. And what that does is put the phone at a bigger height, and you can adjust this so you get the angle exactly right, but it also exposes the bottom. And what's down here is a little concave area where your ear pods can fit in. And I like that it's not just a flat surface because a lot of the other charging stands just have a plate on the bottom. Then you've got to slide the ear pods around to try to find the perfect spot to start charging. And if you tap your phone, they might move a little bit. You wake up the next morning, they're not charged. With this one, there's a little gully right there where it fits in. So when you drop them in, it's going to stay in place. Then the third little magical thing is back here. There's a ledge that you can flip up and you'll hear a click when it's fully open, and that's another nice thing. Some of the others that have a ledge that flip up, it doesn't actually have a detent. Listen closely. Hear that click? That means it's locked into position. A lot of the others that you just kind of hope that the friction's going to hold it up, over time can slide down during the evenings, and then your watch slides off and it's not charged in the morning. So with this one, I have no fear that that watch is going to stay where I leave it. And that's the fully open position. So if you're going to charge your phone, you'll basically put your phone in the front of it like that. It grabs, it's not going anywhere, it's not coming off. Your watch fits on the top like that. Again, the magnetics will hold it, and then you can put your AirPods in the bottom right there. they'll slide into that little gully and everything gets charged. Now I'll show you how to do that in a second with an actual charger. But those 3 points that I'd mentioned, the fact that the base is heavy, it's not going to move around, it's got a rubber surface on it, the magnets are incredibly powerful, which is nice, and then you've got that locking mechanism for your watch, are 3 things that really separate it from a lot of other wireless charging stands on the market. Let me show you how it works, because I've plugged in another charger, USB-C cable in the back, and I'll plug that in. And then again, if I want to charge my phone, I'll just pop it on the front like that. It automatically finds that magnetic spot, and you can see that it's charging. I'll put my watch on the top. The magnetics hold it in place, and you can see that that's charging. And then I'll put the AirPods down the bottom. You'll hear those come on right there. So that's in the gully. So all 3 of these are charging at the same time. Now, one other thing I didn't mention is they've actually built a nightlight into the base, because if you're in a dark room, say you're in a hotel, you're traveling on vacation, it's pitch dark in the room and you're trying to reach to find your phone, well, you can turn on the nightlight and leave it on just by tapping the side of the unit right there. That turns on the nightlight. And the nightlight isn't one of those really aggressive blue kind of LED lights. It's a very low Kelvin, so it's going to be a very warm light. And it's not super bright, so it's not going to wake you up in the middle of the night. It provides just enough illumination where you can see everything, you can adjust what you need to adjust, and then tap it again to turn it off and go back to sleep. So I think they've done a phenomenal job with this product. Again, I've tested probably a dozen or more different wireless charging stands. Some of them seem like clever devices until I've gotten them home and tried them. And then I always find something wrong with them. Either the watch attachment on the back kind of gets lazy over time. You use it for a couple of months and it gets lazy and it doesn't fully open. Or the magnets on the front aren't powerful enough to hold the phone in position. By the way, you can spin this while it's on the mount. So if you can have it vertical, you can have it horizontal. You could watch a movie with it. Matter of fact, if you're watching a movie, you can even put it down a little bit lower, and put it at the right height to watch that, put your ear pods in. So it's multifunctional. The big thing for me, though, is that I travel a lot with my job, and I always need a way to charge those when I'm on vacation or I'm on a business trip. And I've taken one of those 3-head cables along and charge them, but then I've got to stand the phone up, and the watch is sliding all over the place. Sometimes that comes off. So having a stand like this, that again, is pretty small. I mean, this is this is incredibly portable. I slide this in my computer bag. I almost forget I have it with me until I'm ready to start charging things. I plug it into the charger. I pop my 3 Apple products on it. They charge, and I'm ready to go. And it really is just that easy. So I like it an awful lot. I also like the fact that the company's included the charger, the cable, which means you can use it, like I'd mentioned, right out of the box. They offer it in black, they offer it in white, and they have one more model that's got a little bit of a longer base that I haven't tested yet, because quite honestly, when this one arrived, I liked it so much that I actually bought 2 more to give away. So I like it an awful lot. I like the black. I know if you've got, maybe a white iPhone or you like the white AirPod case, maybe you go with the white one, but that choice is yours. Anyway, I like it. I think you're going to like it. And I think they built a tremendously cool product. So thanks an awful lot for watching. And I really hope you've enjoyed this short review. Until next time, as always, stay nerdy.